Hello students. So today we'll continue the discussion of lesson 9. In the last class we have discussed about the many social networking applications. Now today we'll discuss about the entertainment apps. So looking for some entertainment, if you have a smartphone, you'll find a lot of entertainment apps on it. While many of these apps are free to use and some charges a fees for their premium services. So if you wish to watch a movie, catch up on your favorite TV serial, or you watch some sports channel, you can install and use Hotstar, and you have to pay something for that. So are you a music lover? Means like Ghana or Hangama Music and several other apps bring your favorite tunes right to your device. So other applications are also available that allows the user to record and edit one's own music. Do you fancy watching the latest blockbuster at your favorite multiplex? Book My Show app is there, allows you to check timings, read reviews, and obtain tickets for plays, concerts, sports, and many other events are there. With the help of this Book My Show application, you can book the tickets. You can book the tickets for the sports. You can book the tickets for the concerts and other things. Now, if you are a game lover, you can enjoy many gaming applications also, and these apps have a huge fan base from all the age groups. There are various categories in these applications like sports, strategy games, action games, racing games, and fighting games. Variety of games are there. So this is the Book My Show app. Now, banking and finance. Almost all the banks have their own apps today. While banks have had online presence for quite some time. Now these apps allow quick and easy access to most of their services and products. Now one can check the balance in his account with the help of this mobile application, or you can open the FDs, you can pay the utility bills, you can transfer money to one account to the another, you can order a checkbook or demand draft and many other activities. Now with the Indian government encouraging the use of cashless transactions, digital wallet applications like Paytm, Pockets from ICICI Bank, Buddy from SBI, and many more similar apps allow the users to make quick and easy monetary transaction. Okay, so these are the different banking apps: HDFC banking app, SBI banking app. This you are seeing ICI Pockets, SBI Buddy, Paytm. These are the wallets, digital wallet applications. Next, the money control. So money control, for the latest information on the global and the Indian stock markets, money control app proves to be beneficial. So it covers the BSE Bombay Stock Exchange, NSE National Stock Exchange, and also the mutual funds, commodity and currency markets. Using their portfolio tracker, one can keep in touch with the swings of the market and take appropriate and timely decisions. So if anyone is interested in the share market, if anyone wants to invest in the share market, so for them they can use the money control app. Next is the e-commerce. So buying or selling of goods or services using electronic means is known as e-commerce. If you want to sell the products online, if you want to get the services online, so you can use the e-commerce app. So the rapid increase in the use of mobile technology and the desire of people to get things done quickly has prompted e-commerce companies to opt for mobile application to supplement their business. So with the help of this e-commerce, now everyone wants to make their presence on the e-commerce website. Today's every industry selling their products online. They are giving the platform. By sitting at home you can book your products and they will deliver the products to your home. This segment has become so important that some e-commerce companies have started giving preference to app-based solutions and are discontinuing their e-commerce website. Some of the most popular e-commerce apps that provide facility to shop online are the Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeals, and ShopClues. Next, you can see how you download and install the app from the Google Play Store. Now, to download and install the application from Google Play Store, follow the steps given below. So, tap on the Play Store icon on the screen of your device. So, touch on this icon. You'll find on your screen, mobile screen. Type the name of the app in search bar. Here in the search bar, you type the name. Suppose here's educational app for the 8th standard. So, if you do not know the specific name, type a general description of the job that the app does. For example, educational apps for the 8 standard science. Now, many educational apps, see Byju's and others, extra marks appears here. Now, it will display the relevant list of apps. Now, select the most suitable one by tapping the name of the app, example Byju's. So, it will be start downloading. Okay, so this is all for the today students, and we'll continue our discussion on the remaining topics on the next day. So this is all for today. Thank you for your kind attention.